Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to buy Amazon Prime on Android. To do that, open your Play Store or any application store on your Android device and search for Amazon Prime. Then open your Amazon Prime after you download this application. Now, sign in or create an Amazon account. Access the Amazon Prime section. Once you are signed in, tap on the profile at the upper right corner of your screen. And then tap the gear icon at the upper right corner. In here, tap the Manage Account. And then tap Set Payment Method. After you set your payment method, choose a Prime membership plan. On the Amazon Prime page, you will see various membership options. Select the plan that suits your preferences by tapping on it. Then review the benefits. Now, you can tap on Start your 30-day free trial or Join Prime, depending on the location and current promotion. Provide payment information, and then confirm your subscription. Once your payment is proceed, you will have access to Amazon Prime benefits. You can start enjoying perks such as free 2-day shipping, Prime video streaming, Prime music, Prime reading, and more. Keep reminder that to keep track of the trial period if you sign up for one. After the trial period ends, your selected payment method will be charged automatically for the next billing cycle unless you cancel your membership before that. So that's how to buy Amazon Prime. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching!